Okay, we want the behavior to be a little bit more subtle. Now then, one of the rules that they have at the Dominion is that you're not allowed to book half a sofa. So you can't have these two. So if you're going to the movies with someone you don't like very much, and you don't want to share a sofa, don't go here. Buy two armchairs. You're not allowed to book the left sofa here and the left sofa there, or even just the left sofa there and an armchair here. If you've got half a sofa, you've got to have the whole sofa. And what I like is an interface that doesn't let me do things that are illegal. So rather than allow the user to book half a sofa and then click on a next or something like that, I quite like the idea, and I hadn't thought of this. It was a student who first showed me this. When I click on this guy here, I want both halves of the sofa to get booked. Let's try that. So here's the code that books a sofa. So if it has class O, this is going to get quite complicated. If it has class O, then do that. If it has class M, do something else. Let's be a bit more subtle. So that code there, if it has class O, that will work for an armchair. But if it's a sofa, then I want something else to happen as well. So I can put in another if statement. So this is on the booking, not on the unbooking so far. So if it has been booked, then I can do another test, a more subtle test. So if it is, for example, a left armchair, so if $this, the thing I'm looking at, has class L because it is a left sofa, then what I want to do is also book the other one. Okay, so I want to book the next one. So if it's a left sofa, then I've just booked. So this is the code to book the one that I had, but I also want to book the next one to it. That's the next one along. And I can get to the next one along. This is really nice. This is navigating. So this is me moving around. So this is the sofa I'm on, and this dot next is the one to its right. So it's the next sibling. Now, if we had a left sofa at the end of the row, that would serve us right. It would book the whatever was in the next position. So I'm going to do the same thing. That is add class M, and I'm also going to remove class O. So yank paste dd. So this dot next, I want to remove class O. So M makes it mine, O stops it being free. That out. Maybe my video is going too long. Okay, got my mouse back. Reload. Okay, so if I book on a left sofa, oh, that's not good. Not had class, it's has class. I've got this set up, I don't remember doing this, but I have this thing which is pause on exceptions, so that's laid up. So as soon as it was trying to do something illegal, before it did something illegal, it alerted me. I don't usually remember to put that on, but it's quite handy. So it's paused there, and it's saying had class. We're not interested in the class it had. We want to know what class it has. I rather like that. I'm going to remember to keep pause on exception going. So let's make that run and reload again. Okay, so book on the left side of sofa, book on the left side of a sofa, and it also books the right. So I'm booking complete sofas. Of course, it doesn't work the other way around. If I book on a right sofa, then it's only doing the right sofa because I haven't coded that. But that's a relatively easy thing to do. I need to do the reverse of that. So this said, if it has class left, then book the next one. And of course, if I copy those 4 lines for yank paste, I can do the opposite. If it has class right, then instead of next, I want to go to, what's the opposite of next? It's prev. Okay, so that should mean that I only book whole sofas. So click on the left side, yes. Click on the right side, yes. And I guess I should do the same thing with unbooking. It's getting a bit tedious. Okay, so that works fine for armchairs. And then I want my 2 more conditions, and they've got to be reversed. I've got the else going there. Basically, I want this chunk of code to be reversed. It's nasty. Okay, nothing for it. That is an 8 yank, and this has got to be on an else. No, it's not on an else. Paste. So it's at the same level. No, no, I've done that wrong. Undo. It happens inside the if, and it's a layer up. Okay, don't like this. I don't like it. I'm copying and pasting code. I'm always reluctant to copy and paste code, especially as many lines as 8. 8's an awful lot of code to copy and paste. Let's paste it in though. I've got to change the indentation. Okay, I'm uncomfortable about this. It's like copying and pasting code. Yeah, I always regret it. The danger is that now this code is so complicated, when I change my mind about something and I come back and fix this code, I'll find the first clause and think I understand it, and I think I've done everything, and I don't. I forget that it's copied and pasted. Okay, the other thing is I've got to think this through as well. So if it has class L, this is the unbooking now. Let's put in some comments. This is here. It was mine unbook. Okay, this one here is it was free. Book it. Okay, so this will work fine for the armchairs. If it's a left sofa, then I want to reverse. It was mine, so I want to remove that class. Remove the fact that it's mine and add O, and the same thing here. I want to remove, and here I want to add. So now I should be only possible to book and unbook whole sofas. That's booked a whole sofa. That's unbooked the whole sofa. I can click on the left or the right. Make sure I test all the possibilities because it's quite a lot of code, and the armchair still seems to be working. I think I got away with it. Okay, so that allows me to only book and unbook whole sofas. It's not possible for me to have half a sofa. But when the user clicks on a sofa, they are racking up the price because you booked 2 seats there, and to be fair, I really need to show the user what's going on. So in the next video, I'll show you some code so you can give the user some feedback on how much money they're spending.